tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you do a side roll, which is one of those rolls where you kind of roll over your shoulders and your legs swing out in front of you. In other words, this. Now actually it's not very difficult, but in order to do it you do have to be kind of flexible. So unless you can do this, then you're not going to be able to do this roll. So if you can't do this first, work on this. What you're going to need to do is your hamstring stretches, which look a little bit like this. And also you can work on rolling your spine with these hamstring stretches. This will also help. Now what we're going to do is I'm just going to walk you quickly step by step, and then I'll show you the slow motion from all the different angles as well as the normal motion. So the step by step, basically you start in this position, and then you're going to lean down towards the leg that's bent and put your arm behind your body, and you're going to use your leg that is bent and your arm that's behind you, and you're going to push your tush straight up into the air. A lot of beginners go backwards, but you push it straight up into the air like this. Actually, you notice that I turned my head straight up before I went. This is really important. You have to get your neck underneath you so you're in that straight position that we practiced earlier. And then you just swing your legs around to the other side, bend your knee, and land. The landing is a lot easier than getting up. We're going to look at this in slow motion. All I can say is if you don't at first succeed, try again. Perseverance is the only way to make this happen. Best of luck. Let me know in the comments how it goes, and let me know what you would like your next tutorial to be about. See you next time.